welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a baked pesto parmesan chicken. Easy, simple, delicious. Okay, we're going to start with a chicken breast and we're going to cut it in half. Okay, so we're going to clean up this piece of chicken. Scissors, any fat or anything I don't want on the chicken, I just cut right off. Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to just cut it in half. Okay, give me a minute, I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, let's get started. Parmesan, grated cheese. I'm going to take shredded mozzarella cheese. Now I got creamy melts. I thought it was something different, and I'm going to take about a good handful of the shredded cheese. Mix it together. Looks great. Put that to the side. Now I'm using pesto. I'm using sun-dried tomatoes. This comes in all different flavors. You can use any one that you like. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to cover the chicken with pesto. Let's see how nice that looks. Okay, so now do both sides. Okay, so this is covered in covered in pesto, any kind that you love. And here's our cheese, our mozzarella cheese and our Parmesan cheese. We're going to dip this in here like this. Okay, see what it looks like? There. Kind of pressing it on there. My pan could be a little bit bigger because I want it to bake, not steam. Okay, so this is going to go in the oven at 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I already made this, and my husband and my son loved it. It's very moist, delicious. Okay, so in the oven it goes. Doesn't that look delicious? It's done, and it's beautiful, and it's time to eat. So enjoy. Okay, so now we're going to cover the chicken with pesto. Okay, see how nice that looks.